You did everything right, and the customer still screamed at you. You stayed calm, you explained the policy, and the customer got angrier. There's a reason for that, and I have a free tool that fixes it. I'm Myra Golden. I've trained more than 3 million customer service professionals to handle angry customers. There's a piece of brain science almost nobody on the phones has been taught. When a customer is truly upset, they aren't in the thinking part of the brain. They've dropped into the oldest part of the brain, the lizard brain, the part that only knows fight or flight, the part that kept us alive long before we learned to reason. Now, here's what that means for you. A person in that state literally can't process your logic. Every time you lead with the policy, the reason, the explanation, you're talking to a brain that can't hear you. That's why your good answer made them angrier. For 20 years, the only way to learn what to say instead was to sit in one of my trainings. But I just put it inside something you can use on your very next message for free. I built an AI coach. You paste in the nasty email or the brutal chat. You tell it the situation, and it does something I've never seen another tool do. First, it shows you the reply that most people would send, the one that escalates. Then it tells you exactly why that version backfires, the psychology behind it. Then it writes the reply that actually works, the one that calms the customer and holds your ground. And my favorite part, it breaks that reply down line by line and teaches you why each sentence lands. So, on the next hard message, the words are yours. The first time I watched it tear down a reply and coach me through it, I felt the way I felt when I built my very first AI agent. Like I finally had backup, like I wasn't doing the hardest part of this job alone. I'm giving it to you. I call it the Reply Coach. Grab the prompt free at myragolden.com. Paste in your next tough customer and watch what the prompt does. Try it before your next shift and come back and tell me what happened. I'm Myra Golden, and I'll see you on the next one.